So we just passed our initial review to be on the Claude Partner Network. And although this is probably not a topic that you heard a lot about, we want to walk you through this entire process, document it, and then possibly invite you to come and join us. My name is Rich. And then let's go ahead and actually break this down. So as of, this actually happened a day ago, May 14th. So we basically got this email saying like, thank you for your patience. We worked through a high volume of applications. Our application for the Claude Partner Network had just cleared the initial review. So we are now on the path forward to being approved. So we're not fully approved yet, but we did pass the initial review. In the meantime, we're going to get our team, meaning some of y'all, trained and certified, which starts with enrolling 10 of our folks onto the Anthropic Academy, and most importantly, completing the CPN learning platform. And after which we will be confirming the completion of our folks here. So I'm going to open up the CPN learning path, and I'm going to start, and this is the website that it was actually connected to, Claude Partner Network Learning Path. And you're going to see this. I highly recommend you go ahead and actually check out this video. But Claude is spending Anthropic is spending an insane amount of money into this. And we have these projects that we're going to go ahead and complete. And that's actually where we want to invite y'all in, because I think a lot of people are very intimidated when they're just seeing, even if they were doing this on their own, the introduction to agent skills, building with Claude API, or introduction to MCP, and then definitely getting Claude Code into action. So let's go ahead and actually answer some very base level questions. Number one is, can more than 10 people go ahead and participate? So this is the Google Doc that they sent us over, and yes, more than 10 people can go ahead and actually participate in this challenge with us. And next off, you're probably going to want to know the answer to some of the following questions, which is, what Claude certification means for the individuals on our team and what it possibly could go out there and actually mean by you. Number one, it's vendor-backed credibility that hiring managers at AI native companies recognize immediately. You're going to be able to get early access to tools and capabilities before they reach the general public, which is always a plus because you're getting that first level exposure, right? Priority technical support and direct access over to Anthropic's engineering team. Deep specialization in agentic workflows. The skill the 2026 hiring market is actually really paying for right now is all agentic like workflows beyond growth product management. Career longevity and access to emerging product manager roles that command a significantly higher salary premium. And part two, what this basically means for tech careers as an organization. That means our grads will be found, the people that we choose to put on our 10 or more than 10, is going to be on enterprise company through Anthropic's own searchable directory. It's really important to note that Anthropic is there's going to be about $100 million piped into this. Qualified partners are going to be listed in publicly searchable services partner directory where enterprise buyers can actively search for organizations with Claude implementation experience. So this could possibly mean a separate level, like we're not just talking about possible secondary income streams, but we're talking about other avenues of exposure, other opportunities, and just the amount of doors that it's going to open, including the network. And we plan on hosting a lot of in-person functions, not just in New York, but also in San Francisco and in other cities this year as well. Anthropic is also co-investing in marketing similar businesses across their enterprise go-to-marketing efforts. Significant portion of Anthropic's $100 million partner investment goes directly to partners that support them for training, sales enablement, co-marketing. We now have access to internal sales playbooks, dedicated Anthropic engineers that will support enterprise work directly. There's a lot of really cool stuff. So, I will leave. This video is going to be anywhere that you would see this video at. It's going to be attached to a blog. And how do you go out there and actually get involved? I'll actually show you right now. If you're on our YouTube channel right now, I think one of the easiest things that you can do, like we recently just held this training, you click this open. And if you go to over to our YouTube description down here, under where it says free resources, you can click on this link and just pop this guy open. click on the link, and then you'll actually see this open up right here. I think it's very simple, and essentially I'm wearing the same shirt. And you can go ahead and actually, it's totally free. You can just go out there and join in that way. Or you can always go ahead and reach out to me directly on LinkedIn, where you basically just see tech careers, okay? These skills, they're only, like, the market's only moving faster. It's time for you to go ahead and actually learn it. Looking forward to seeing everybody inside our WAP community. See you there. Don't be late. Let's go ahead and actually get this going. We are going to be voting on times where we're just going to be meeting together and actually doing all these live builds at the same time. Looking forward to meeting everybody really, really soon.